On the second day, we wanted to explore Efate, so we hired a driver and went around the island.
There's a parliament on the left.
Ah, that's the parliament.
Yes.
So do you have a president here or like?
Yes.
Okay.
We have president, we have prime minister, then we have. People they used to stop there to stop the bus to go, like go the village out there, out in town.
Yeah.
That's the main bus stop.
Our plan for the day was to visit Rarru Waterfalls and then to the famous Blue Lagoon and then to the Efate beach and on the way to go to the Efate lookout. We found James, who was a very helpful driver and a guide. As you can see, the environment is very similar to Sri Lanka with a lot of greenery and a lot of trees.
How do you normally get from Efate to Tana? By flight? Plane.
We
Okay.
have a plane and boat.
Okay.
If you go by plane, it's about 45 minutes.
Ah, okay.
25.
Okay.
By boat, it's about 12 hours.
12 hours. Okay.
Our first destination was the Rarru Waterfall.
This is the round one, right?
Rarru one, yes. This one we always recommended this one with the tourists when the tourists they come here.
Okay.
We have Cascade Waterfalls, but the Cascade Waterfalls they owned by the two company,
Yeah.
Chinese and local people. This one, it's only one entrance.
Okay.
It's more cheaper and easy walk. They have good spots at the top for swimming. It's very nice and beautiful up there.
Okay.
Just like James mentioned, it was really beautiful. The walk as well as the waterfall was really beautiful. One of the major things we liked was that although it was a big tourist attraction, there were only about 5 6 people when we went there, so it was really not crowded and was easy to navigate and easy to see, and it was good to spend some time next to the waterfall. After spending some quality time there, we started our journey to the Blue Lagoon, which is again one of the major tourist attractions in Efate Island in Vanuatu. The water was crystal clear and we had a dip. There were a lot of tourists as well as locals in this place. If you go to Vanuatu, definitely make sure to visit this place, the Blue Lagoon. It is beautiful.